Now guys, this is a solid little unit. Let's show you the material we're going to test this out on. Ladies and gentlemen, welcome back to the channel and welcome back to yet another Tile Tool Tuesday. In this quick 5-minute segment, we will be reviewing and testing the original Superior tile cutter. Now this is made in the USA. It is one of the smallest manual tile cutters specifically designed for your subway ceramics, your 3x6, your 4x8 tiles. It cuts up to 6 inches straight cuts and up to 4.5 inches diagonally. Very durable cast aluminum, which makes it very light, but again, very, very durable as well. And very easy and quick to set up. I mean, look at the size of this. It'll fit anywhere in any size bathroom or kitchen to install your subway ceramics or your glass. And like usual, links will be in the description below with specs and pricing. This runs about $50 and it appears that it would last you a lifetime. It includes the cutter, a very durable carbide wheel, and of course your fence for diagonal cuts as well as straight cuts. Let's get on with it, bring the camera over here and show you what it looks like up close. And here it is. Superior tile cutter, made in the USA. Not much to this little guy. Feels absolutely solid. I mean, feels like it can fall off a one-story building and survive. Very, very thick padding here. Feels like good quality, like it would definitely last a long time. Basically, you pull, score, and snap your ceramic subway tile or your glass subway tile, and we'll demonstrate how that works. And of course, you have your fence for your straight cuts and diagonal cuts. I'll show you how to attach this quickly. There is your fence for your straight cuts and for your diagonal cuts. Now guys, this is a solid little unit. Let's show you the material we're going to test this out on. Subway ceramic here. We have a bumpy and textured subway ceramic. This is a 4x12. Your Crackle Glass. And of course glass with your backing. Let's make our cuts. Score. Snap. That easy. Quick. Simple. Very clean cut. Again, this is a solid, small little unit that can be set up in a very small, tight space. Moving on to your wavy 4x12 ceramic. Again, not a problem. Clean and simple cut. Moving on to Crackle Glass. And of course, glass with your backing. Knock this edge down with a diamond pad or rubbing stone, you're good to go. And our last cut, glass. Great cut. Well, there it is, guys. Made in the USA, a solid unit, A small cutting little beast for your subway ceramics or your glass tiles. I really like it. It's a good little cutter. If you like this short video, please give me a thumbs up down there. Subscribe if you haven't subscribed already, and of course share this video if you know anybody who might find this small little cutter useful, and I'll see you guys on the next one.